This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to customize your ChatGPT. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. ChatGPT is great out of the box, but sometimes you want to do things your way. Maybe you want it to answer questions in your brand's voice, follow specific formatting rules, or help with a recurring task like summarizing meeting notes or drafting email. Custom your GPTs let you build your own version of ChatGPT tailored to your need without writing a single line of code. If you've been eager to build your own custom GPT, here's in this video I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, we have to open our ChatGPT. You can log in into your account on your laptop or mobile phone. Now, from here, you can go to your profile on the bottom left here. You can click on that and you'll find there is an option Customize ChatGPT. You can select on that. In here, you can customize your ChatGPT. You can introduce yourself to get better, more personalized responses, like what should ChatGPT call you, like this. What do you do? Like this. What personality should ChatGPT have? By default, it's set to cheerful and adaptive. If you want to make your ChatGPT more critical and sarcastic, you can choose on cynic, or maybe you can choose on robot, or listener, thoughtful and supportive, or nerd, exploratory and enthusiast. I would just choose on default, cheerful and adaptive. Preview, you can check the preview in here. Quick, view, clever, and build to keep the conversation moving. And you can enter what traits should ChatGPT have. After that, you can just save it. Before that, don't forget to enable this feature for new chat. Now you can select on save. So now you have customized your ChatGPT, so ChatGPT will give you response uh, based on the preference that you set in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to customize ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.